go.
The mid AC also has heat pump, so you do have a heat strip. Right now it's running at 82. So with the fireplace and the heat pump, you can really heat this place up and save your propane.
Oh yeah, it got hot in here quick.
Yeah, didn't take no time at all. That fireplace flat run you out of here.
Let me just show her that screen real quick. Perfect. And then when you get that adjustable, do the bedroom fireplace.
Okay.
And front bathroom.
Uh-huh. This fireplace runs exactly the same as the one downstairs. It can be a light show by selecting different flames. On and off is all the way to the left, and then your heat setting. Oh, you can dim your lights as well.
There you go. We're gonna keep going.
$74. 136. It doesn't take long. I mean, it just jumps in temp.
Yep, I can feel it right here.
It does everything but roast marshmallows. Sinks hold water. Again, same thing. Push your drain. Push your drain. Oh man, it climbs quick. 105. 109.
I just want to show under the sinks where
No
everything's
leaks.
nice and dry and no leaks. This will be important when it gets to you to check that again. Make sure nothing came loose in transit.
$87. 93. 99.
Perfect.
Toilet also holds water. This flush mechanism is electric. Push the button and hold for just a second. Puts water in, sucks it out, and then it automatically refills.
Cool.
Always make sure that this door and all your sliding doors are latched for transit. This prevents these doors from sliding back and forth and shattering. So always make sure you're in a locked position. This is a laundry. You have an accent light and a regular light. Shoe storage. Beautiful walk-in closet. I mean, a lot of storage.